Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is one of our boat cushions, a vinyl covered boat cushion from our motorboat, speedboat, and it is in need of cleaning. You can see the stain right here, another one here, and kind of a line. And what I like to use is Brite vinyl cleaner and polisher. This stuff is really easy to use. A couple of rags, one rag to polish the stuff, and another one once it dries to wipe off and kind of buff to give the shine. But I wanted to show you how it goes on and how well it works. I hope you can see those stains. I'll get a little closer, I think. Yeah, I hope they'll show up, especially there. Okay, so this is the one I use for applying, and these have to be clean. And it says to remove normal dirt and grime beforehand, but I've done that with a hose, and now we're just going to go circle motions, and that stuff is already gone. I don't remember what I paid for this bottle. It's probably a $12 bottle or something, 16 ounces. For me, with our small 17-foot boat, it'll last a year easy, and the stuff looks great. I'll come back and buff it. I'll show you in a minute. Once you got everything cleaned up, use your dry rag and wipe it down, and you should get a little bit of a sheen or a little bit of a shine. But this will protect your vinyl, keep everything soft, supple, clean, and it should last longer for more good times on the boat. So that's it. That's how you use that Brite vinyl cleaner and polish. I'll stick a link in the description below if you want to buy some for yourself. But as always, thanks for watching.